How to fix image too large in Tinder. If you are trying to upload a photo to Tinder but you keep getting that annoying image too large error, don't worry, I've got you. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix it. So let's get started. So first, let's quickly cover why you are seeing this error. Tinder has file size and dimension limits for photos. If your image is too high resolution, like something straight from a DSLR or even a newer smartphone camera, it might be too big for Tinder to process. So here is the fix. Just screenshot the image. This usually reduces both the size and resolution automatically, then upload the screenshot instead. Just like, go to your photo, just right here, then choose one photo just like this. If it is showing the image too large, simply screenshot it just like this and simply upload the screenshot. And if you want a free tool to resize your images, check out websites like iloveimg.com or Simple Image Resizer. They work fast and don't need any downloads. That's it, super quick and easy fix for the image too large problem on Tinder. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.